Hey, market mavens. Welcome back to Mind Over Markets. I'm your host, your trading psyche whisperer, and today we're cracking open a mind bender, Market Mind Games by Denise Shull. This isn't your grandpa's trading book. It's a full-on rebellion against the shut-off-your-feelings crowd. Shull's a brain science badass who's worked with hedge fund hotshots, and she's here to flip the script. Emotions aren't your enemy. They're your secret weapon. Whether you're a newbie sweating your first trade or a vet chasing the big moves, this episode's stacked with radical insights to rethink your game. So grab your charts, pour a drink, and let's dive into this wild ride. Your trading edge is about to get a serious upgrade. Okay, let's hit the ground running. Trading's a pressure cooker. 1 second you're golden, the next you're staring at a loss. Heart pounding, palms sweaty. I've been there, riding that roller coaster, and most books tell you, lock it down, be a robot. Denise Shull? She's calling BS on that. Dropped in 2011, Market Mind Games is her battle cry. Emotions aren't the problem. They're the juice if you know how to tap them. Today I'm peeling back the layers. No dry lectures, just the raw, unfiltered truth to turbocharge your trades. Ready to rethink everything? Let's roll. Emotions aren't the bad guy. First bombshell Shull drops, stop hating on your feelings. Every trading guru out there is preaching, control your emotions, like there's some glitch to fix. Shull's like, nah, that's old news. She's got this neuropsychology cred, think brain scans and trader brainwaves, and says emotions are data. That knot in your gut when a trade's tanking? It's not just noise, it's your brain waving a flag. Think about it. You're in a trade, it's dipping, and you're freaking out. Most say, ignore it, stick to the plan. Shull's take? Listen closer. That fear might mean you're overexposed, or that greed's whispering you're chasing too hard. I've had moments where my gut screamed, get out, and when I ignored it, bam, smoked. Her vibe? Say this. My feelings are signals. I tune in. That's your first radical shift. Emotions aren't trash. They're treasure if you decode them right. Your brain's a trading machine. Now, Shull gets science-y, and it's awesome. She says your brain's this crazy mashup of logic, gut vibes, and sneaky subconscious tricks. It's not just think harder, it's a full-on system. You've got this primal wiring from way back, mixed with experience, spitting out decisions before you even blink. Ever pulled a trade and thought, how'd I know that? That's your brain doing its thing. She paints this picture. Markets are chaos, prices jumping, news dropping, and your head's trying to keep up. I've felt it, that split-second hunch that nails a move. Shull's point, don't fight it, harness it. She's worked with pros who swear by this. Their instinct isn't magic. It's their brain-crunching patterns they can't even name. Say, my mind's a beast, I trust its hum. Next trade, don't just stare at the chart, feel the pulse. That's your edge waking up. Intuition, the silent MVP. All right, here's where it gets spicy. Shull's all about intuition. Not some woo-woo nonsense, but that deep, quiet voice built from years of grinding. She says the best traders don't just crunch numbers. They feel the market. It's like a sixth sense forged from every win, loss, and wild swing you've lived through. I've had trades where the setup was shaky, but something said go, and it paid off big. Her twist? You've got to train it. She's seen hedge fund guys who lean on this, not ignoring data, but blending it with that inner nudge. Imagine this. You're eyeing a breakout, charts say maybe, but your gut's buzzing. That's intuition talking. Shull's trick, track it. Write down those hunches, see how they play out. Say, my gut's my co-pilot. I'm tuning it up. Next session, let it whisper. It's your silent MVP stepping up. The subconscious saboteur. Let's flip the coin. Shull dives into the dark side, your subconscious. It's this sneaky little gremlin, running old tapes you don't even hear. Maybe you've got a money scarce vibe from way back, or a don't fail echo that makes you flinch. I've caught myself hesitating on big trades. Not the chart, just some buried junk holding me back. She's got this story vibe, not specific traders, but a universal truth. We sabotage ourselves without knowing. Ever bailed on a winner too early? That's your brain playing tricks. Scholl's fix. Shine a light on it. Figure out what's lurking. She says ask, why'd I do that? After a trade, dig. Was it fear? Was it doubt? Say, I see you, Shadow. You don't run me. It's like debugging your own code. Clean it up and your trades get clearer. Risk isn't just numbers. Now, Scholl flips risk on its head. It's not just percentages and stop losses. It's a head game. Most traders treat risk like math. 1% per trade, done. She's like, sure, but what's it feel like? Risk hits your brain different. $100 loss might sting more than 1,000, depending on your day. I felt that. Same setup, different vibe, totally different play. Her angle? Get cozy with it. She's seen pros who don't just calculate risk, they vibe with it, know their limits inside out. Imagine this. You're sizing a trade and your chest tightens. That's risk talking, not just your spreadsheet. Scholl says lean in, feel it, name it, use it. Say, risk's my dance partner. I lead. Next time you're sizing up, don't just punch numbers, check your pulse. That's your radical risk edge. Trading's a feedback loop. Here's where Scholl ties it together. Trading's a feedback loop and your brain's the engine. Every move you make, win, loss, hold, feeds back into your head, tweaking how you see the next one. She's all about this. Markets aren't static. They're alive, and so are you. I've had streaks where a win made me cocky, then a loss humbled me fast. It's a cycle. Her take, ride it smart. She's watched traders who get this. They don't just react, they learn. After a trade, don't shrug. Ask, what's this telling me? Scholl's big on journaling. Not just stats, but feelings, vibes, hunches. I've tried it. A quick note like, felt rushed, overtraded, lights up patterns. Say, every trade's a lesson. I'm soaking it in. That's your brain evolving, trade by trade. Radical rewiring, your new edge. This last big swing, Scholl's pushing a rewiring job. Forget the be a robot mantra. She wants you to rethink how you trade, period. Emotions, intuition, risk. They're not sidekicks. They're the main event. She's got this vibe from her hedge fund days. The best don't suppress. They integrate. I've felt shifts doing this. Trades where I trusted my gut over my head and nailed it. Her challenge? Start small. Next trade, don't shove your fear aside. Ask what it's saying. Build that intuition muscle. Track it. Test it. Say, I'm rewiring. This is my game now. It's not overnight. It's a grind, but it's radical. Scholl's proof. When you sync your brain's chaos with the markets, you're not just trading, you're winning. Your trading brain unleashed. All right, that's market mind games. Denise Scholl just flipped your trading world upside down. Emotions? Data, not drama. Intuition? You're ace in the hole. Risk? A dance, not a chore. This isn't a rule book. It's a revolution for your head. She's daring you to ditch the old no feelings lie and play the game your brain was built for. Your next step? Take one piece, maybe that gut check trick or a risk vibe, and run it this week. Feel it, tweak it, make it yours. This stuff's turned trades into triumphs, and it's ready to light up your charts. Thanks for rolling with me at Mind Over Markets. If this sparks something, hit that like, subscribe, and drop a comment. What's your trading brain telling you? I'm all ears. Catch you next time. Keep your mind wild and crush those markets.